How to make a group call on WhatsApp for Android. You can start an audio or video call on WhatsApp in two ways. The first method is when you have started the chat with a group of people. You can tap on that conversation. Here, you have two buttons on the top: Audio and Video. Tap on one of them to start a video or audio call. Another way is to tap on the Calls tab from the top. If you have not started the conversation with that group of persons, tap on the Call button from the bottom. Here, tap on New Group Call. On the contact list, select the person who you wish to call. Now, tap on Audio or Video Call, depending on how you wish to do the call. The group call has started. If you see a person that cannot answer, you can tap on this button to end the call for that person. Also, if you wish to add after the call has started a new person, you can do that by tapping the plus button from the top. Also, on the group call, you will have the same options as the standard call. You can put the call on speakers, change the audio call to video call, or mute yourself. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.